Looking for a sanitizing wipes company that you can trust? Hopingwipes, a subsidiary of Tangstar Group, is a leading sanitizing wipes factory that specializes in producing high-quality wipes to keep your environment clean and safe. Our products are sold in over 60 countries on 4 continents, providing high-quality products and services to the world's top 500 enterprises. At Hopingwipes, we strictly control the quality of our products to ensure that they meet the highest standards. Our sanitizing wipes are effective at killing germs and bacteria, making them perfect for use in public spaces, offices, and homes. We use a special coating that prevents grease and other liquids from seeping through, so you can be confident that your products will look and feel their best. In addition to our high-quality products, we also offer exceptional customer service. Our team is dedicated to helping your business or household succeed, and we'll work closely with you to ensure that you get the supplies you need when you need them. We offer wholesale options, so you can get the supplies you need at an affordable price. Hopingwipes is a subsidiary of Tangstar Group, a comprehensive enterprise founded in 1992 that focuses on the research and development of bamboo and wood products, cleaning wet wipes, and paper products. With subsidiaries like Gwalin Hoping Housewares Co., Limited, Tangstar Paper Forever Co., Limited, and Tangstar Supply Chain Management Co., Limited, we have the capacity to produce 80 tons of wet wipes per day with 55 production lines, 90 tons of paper products per day with 9 production lines, and 110 tons of bamboo products per day with 12 production lines. Our main clients include Cisco, Starbucks, McDonald's, and Japan Skylark International Catering Group, and we have a team of 150 dedicated members to ensure that we provide high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Visit our website at hopingwipes.com to learn more about our products and services, and start enjoying the benefits of a clean and safe environment today with Hopingwipes.